Hello. Have you ever thought, how do I get leads? How do I grow my business in the real estate market? I need someone to help me make calls. I need an ISA to help me free up my time to be in front of my clients. My name is Brian Jameson, and I am honored to share with you, thank goodness to my clients, I'm in the top 2% of production in Oklahoma 3 years running. I owe my growth and success to the Evolved agents in helping me continue the success. A few years ago, I needed to take my next step to grow my business. Believe me, I have researched all the too good to be true lead systems, remote cold calling options, AI options, and CRM packages that assist in lead capturing and help chase those leads. I even shifted gears to try another marketing company before coming back to Evolved Agents to continue my growth. Their systems, their knowledge, their training, their communication, their collab calls, and their willingness to make you successful is unparalleled. The team at Evolved is unbelievable. Take it from a colleague in the industry versus the next best ad or solicitation we all hear from on a daily basis. Give Evolved Agents a call, or feel free to call me. I'm happy to share my success. 405-513-3039.